In this video, we will learn how to use a shortcut key to make capital and small letters in Microsoft Word. So guys, to make capital and small easily in Microsoft Word, you can use this shortcut key. So it's a shortcut for making capital and small in just one click by pressing Shift key plus F3. And this shortcut will work in all Microsoft version, but some keyboard will not support. So hopefully guys you like this video, as we can know in my keyboard I can't make capital and small using this shortcut because my this keyboard is not support. So make comment and say this shortcut key work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video.